Hello everyone and welcome back to Pharmacist Online. Today we will explore the world of Ozempic and learn how many clicks and doses are there in an Ozempic 1 mg pen. So grab your Ozempic pen and let's start clicking. First, let's reveal the total number of clicks in the Ozempic 1 mg pen. Ready? It's 74 clicks. You can start your count either from 0 or the first click sound. Now let's explore how to take smaller doses like 0.25 milligrams or 0.5 milligrams from the Ozempic 1 mg pen. For a 0.25 milligrams Ozempic dose, start counting from the first click sound or point 0. Count up to 18 clicks and mark that point. Remember that these 18 clicks are equal to your 0.25 milligrams Ozempic dose. When taking your weekly dose of 0.25 milligrams, start from 0 and rotate the dose selector to 18 clicks. Next up, the 0.5 milligrams Ozempic dose. Count from the first click or 0. Go up to 36 clicks and mark that point. These 36 clicks represent your 0.5 milligrams dose. Just like with the 0.25 milligrams dose, start from 0 or the first click and rotate the dose selector to 36 clicks for your weekly 0.5 milligrams dose. For those needing a 0.75 milligrams Ozempic dose, start from 0 and count up to 54 clicks. There you have it, your 0.75 milligrams Ozempic dose. Lastly, if your dosage is 1 milligram, simply rotate the dose selector from 0 to the final point, which is 74 clicks. Remember that you can only use the open pen for 56 days, as per the manufacturer's expiry information. If there's still medication left after that time, you will need to discard the pen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Pharmacist Online for more videos like this one. Stay tuned for the more exciting and informative content. Until next time, happy weight loss journey and stay healthy.